Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add your own songs in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and now you want to add your own songs in Instagram stories, let's see how can you do that. Just open your Instagram app and here just scroll to the left to open add story section, and here just tap on this option to open gallery just like that. Here you just have to select any image or photo or video which you want to set as your own story. Well, I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and here tap on this music icon. Snapchat, Instagram doesn't have any feature to add your own music directly, but you can easily search for your music if you want. Let's see, I'm going to add this one, just tap on it, and then tap on this next icon, and here just tap on done. Then tap on your story to share it all your story. So in this way, you can easily add your own songs in Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.